May He give you the desire of your heart and make all of your plans succeed. Psalm 24. Hi, my name is Nevaeh Vallejo and I'm a senior in the GPS education program. My home high school is Greenfield High in Greenfield, Wisconsin. While being in the GPS Ed program, my instructor Rocio has enhanced my experience by being an amazing resource to help me immensely with situations both inside and outside of the classroom environment. In the classroom, Rocio always took the time with both myself and other students to make sure we really always grasped the material and understood it enough to use it to be successful later on. That is something I feel I never really got with teachers in a normal high school setting that I'm definitely grateful for with the GPS Ed. Rocio is extremely attentive, patient, loving, and overall helpful. I'm very thankful to have had such an amazing instructor prepare me for the upcoming events in my life. The GPS education program has helped me develop numerous skills such as teamwork, collaboration, professionalism, strong work ethic, perseverance, and personal motivation. I've developed better skills in all of these areas thanks to the help of GPS Ed. They've helped us develop these skills with different assignments, hands-on projects, and by giving us the opportunity to gain real work experience through various manufacturing companies. Now that I've graduated, my next measure of success will be to obtain a college degree in nursing and move forward with my dreams of becoming a labor and delivery nurse. Even though I've come to the conclusion that manufacturing will not be my lifetime career, I am extremely thankful for the opportunity and knowledge I've gained with being in the GPS Ed program. I'd like to thank God, my mom and dad, my grandma, and my great late grandparents for helping me become the person I am today and always reminding me I can achieve anything I put my mind and heart to. It's been a great journey, and going forward, I will take these skills and utilize them to be a successful nurse. Thank you to Greenfield High School for giving me the opportunity to find my academic pathway with the GPS Ed program.
Excellent.